To solve this question, we need to isolate our variable r, and to do that, we'll need to take everything else that is not r and move it over to the other side of the equal sign using opposite operations. So let's start by rewriting our equation. We've got x is equal to 9 plus r minus 1, and all of that is squared, over 81. First, let's get rid of this 9. This is a positive 9, so the opposite operation would be negative, or subtracting 9 from both sides. These will cancel, leaving us with x minus 9 is equal to r minus 1 squared over 81. Now we need to get rid of this denominator 81. R is being divided by 81, so the opposite would be multiplying both sides by 81. These 81s will cancel, leaving us with 81 times x minus 9. I would leave that undistributed. If I were you, it's going to make the next step a little bit easier. And then on the side, we're left with r minus 1 to the second power. So now the opposite, I'm going to change colors for this, the opposite operation for exponent is a root. And since this is to the second power, we need a square root. So we're going to take the square root of the right-hand side and the left-hand side of the equal sign. The square root and the exponent will cancel, leaving us with r minus 1 on the right-hand side. And then over here, we can split this up into the square root of 81 times the square root of x minus 9. The square root of 81 can be simplified down. What two identical numbers multiply together to give us 81? That would be 9 and 9. So the square root of 81 is equal to 9. We can't simplify the square root of x minus 9 any further, and that is equal to r minus 1. From here, 1 is being subtracted from r, so we need to do the opposite and add 1 to both sides. These ones will cancel, leaving us with 9 square root x minus 9 plus 1, and this plus 1 is going to be outside of this square root radical, and that is equal to r, making answer choice B our correct answer.